Hi, welcome to Rozey Canine Farm. This is a litter of English Labrador Retrievers. These are two black boys still available that are 11 weeks old. They were born 3/20. Come here. You go inside. We have Matterhorn here, and then we have Kilimanjaro here. They're very healthy, active puppies, loving playing outside. Their parents are Brady and Bean. Got a stick. Let's see if we can go inside. Come on. Oh, there we go. Here, let's see if we can get you guys in here where I can see you better. So once again, we are Rozey Canine Farm. That's ROZEYK, the number 9 farm.com. And these, like I said, these two boys are 11 weeks old. Black English labs, so they'll be the blocky, stocky labs. They're up to date on all their health care. And otherwise, I do have, well, I'm hoping for 2 litters to be born in August, and those litters will be chocolate and black, and then there won't be August, September. Those puppies, the ones coming up, won't be ready to go till October. These two boys are ready to go anytime now. That one is Kilimanjaro. And then we have Matterhorn over here with the yellow collar. Alright, maybe if we move this chair, boys, I'll be able to get you guys better. Huh? Did you bring in some sticks? So you can contact us at 616-892-1993, and we'd love to give you some more information on our beautiful English Labrador Retrievers. Their mom is black and their dad is Bean, who is a chocolate Labrador. Huh, boys? And we love playing, love the outside now that it's nice and warm. They were 22 to 23 pounds today. All right. Well, we'll say thanks for visiting, and you can contact us at Rozey Canine Farm or 616-892-1993. Say bye for now. Oh, boys. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Should we go get some water from running? Huh? Say bye for now. Thanks for visiting.